Hi, my name is Raul and I'm on the user experience team here at Smart. Welcome to the last video on the Smart Ink Video Toolkit. In this video, we'll look at how you can use Smart Ink with the software and files you're already using at work, like PDFs, Microsoft Office applications, and more complex software specific to your industry. First, we'll take a look at using Smart Ink with PDFs, which are great for sharing digital content. Smart Ink enables you to mark up secured and unsecured PDFs and save the changes to share with others. Use the Smart Ink Document Viewer, which comes with Smart Ink for Windows operating systems. PDFs that open in the Smart Ink Document Viewer display this icon. Here I have a PDF file that I want to review with my peers. I can open it, and it opens up in the Smart Ink Document Viewer. You'll notice that there's no Smart Ink toolbar for it because this is a smart application like Smart Meeting Pro and Smart Notebook, but I can still write on it. I can circle the content that I want and say that I approve. And the ink will zoom and scroll with the content that I've written on. Now that I've made my comments in this document, I want to share it with my coworkers, and I'll need to save the file first. Once I save it though, the ink becomes a permanent part of the document and can no longer be removed. Be sure to save it with a different file name. Other commonly used tools are Microsoft Office applications. Chances are that you have a Word or Excel file in your inbox right now from someone you work with. Here I have a Word document that I want to review and edit at the interactive display. When you're working with a Microsoft Office document at the interactive display, you have two options. You can use Smart Ink, or you can use Microsoft's built-in pen tools. When you use Microsoft's built-in pen tools, you'll write directly into the document. This is very useful for editing documents with your peers or with your students. In this mode, I need to use Microsoft's tools to get access to more pen styles, colors, and highlighters. The Smart Ink toolbar indicates that I'm using Microsoft's pen tools by showing the Microsoft Ink message. I can get access to the Microsoft Pens tab through the Smart Ink toolbar menu. So I'll show the Pens tab, I'll choose a color, and let's say I like this red over here. You'll notice I have a spelling mistake, so I'll say no, we need a V over here, and I can make other changes to the document as well. The ink I draw on my document becomes a part of the Microsoft Office document and will scroll and zoom with the content I drew over. So if I scroll, it stays there, and if I zoom, it also stays there. If I were to save this document right now, the ink I drew would become a part of the document permanently, but I could even edit or change it when I got back to my desk. Microsoft Ink mode is the default when working with Microsoft Office documents, but you can change this at any time in the Smart Ink settings. I don't actually want to keep these changes, so I'll erase my annotations. When you use Smart Ink, you write on top of the document. Trainers and teachers can also use this mode when teaching people how to use Microsoft Office, since Smart Ink allows you to write over top of the application as well. Just because you use Smart Ink to capture your ideas doesn't mean you have to discard the work that you've done. You can take a screenshot and your notes appear in Smart Meeting Pro software for business users or Smart Notebook software for education users. So I'll come and take a screen capture. And now my work is captured in Smart Meeting Pro. So we've had a look at PDFs and Microsoft Office documents. Now let's have a look at something that might not be so common. You might use highly specialized software tools and your content might not be so easy to share. Here we have TechLabInsight, an application for construction project collaboration. Engineers, project managers, and tradespeople use interactive displays to view their construction models in a 3D environment, either locally or remotely. They can use Smart Ink to collaborate and brainstorm. Once they've agreed to the changes, the team can simply turn off Smart Ink and make their changes to the files directly, just like you would for Microsoft Office applications. So we'll turn off Smart Ink. And now I can use Techlist tools to make my changes directly into the file. I'm no engineer, and I don't know if what I drew will cause the building to collapse, so I'll just remove these changes. In this video, you've seen how you can use Smart Ink to brainstorm and capture ideas and how to make changes directly into your content. Whether it's a commonly used application like a PDF or Microsoft Word or something more specific like TechLab Insights, Smart Ink gives you the ultimate digital inking experience. Think about how you can use what you've seen in this video and the past videos with your Freestorm visual collaboration solution to work together, solve problems, collaborate as a team, and reduce steps in your process without sacrificing quality. Thank you for watching. At Smart, we're constantly innovating, and I hope to see you again with a new set of videos for our latest innovation.